All the foods that we enjoy have different levels of acids and bases, and those differences affect the way that we enjoy the food that we eat. In today's lab, we're going to take lots of common foods that we know that we like, and some foods maybe we don't like, and consume a little bit and see if we can measure the acid and base in our mouth and see if we can detect any bitter or sourness going on. Because some of the things that are sour or bitter you actually like a lot, others not so much. Here's how it's done. Before we begin, first gather a few items you're going to need for the lab. Each student's going to need a cup full of water to rinse their mouth between each of the taste tests that we do, a few paper plates around for the food, and some napkins to clean up any messes we have. Also, we're going to need the test strips to measure the pH. Now, it's important that between each food sample that you take, that you rinse your mouth with some water to kind of neutralize the acid base in your mouth. It's also very important that you guys all take a guess as to what the acid and base is for every measurement. It's also good to guess what your acid-base measurement would be right now before you even do any measurements at all of the food. Also, if you're chewing gum or eating candy, you can put that aside for now so that doesn't disrupt our measurements. And you're going to enter all your data into the Google Docs. Also, as you go, enter everybody else's measurements from your group. So there's a few columns in there for each person in your group. And you can then compare the measurements for the questions at the end of the lab. Have fun.